Today, we will be installing a TDS Wonderbar on this nice red RS. A Wonderbar is an affordable way to keep your front subframe from cracking. Third gens are notorious for cracks around the steering box, and even GM made their own Wonderbar for the higher tier models. The first step is to get the front end off the ground and onto jack stands. And remember to hit that subscribe button. Unbolt the sway bar bushings. Remove the third bolt. This TDS Wonderbar is an affordable option for all third gens. Loosely install the third bolt to hold the Wonderbar up, then align and install the other two bolts. Tighten down all 6 bolts in an even pattern. Then torque the 6 bolts to 35 pound-feet. And that's it! A simple and cheap way to keep your subframe intact. Remember to like and subscribe and ring that bell.